Hi my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I think I should probably tag this video of face reveal because yeah, you finally get to see the face behind it. Hello guys, hi magical hands, nails check. Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If it's your first time of coming across any of my videos on this channel, thank you for coming. I hope you find this channel interesting and you might want to stay, so you just want to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so into what we have for today, I'll be teaching you all how to make a wrap dress without any sewing machine, any needle and thread, any glue. We don't need that. We just need our scissors and our fabric and we are good to go. So guys, the choice of fabric that I made is not really my kind of color thing, although it's kind of matching with my hair, but so I would have loved to go for a sky blue, but I needed this type of fabric that do not fray at the end, like no loose ends. After cutting this with scissors, it doesn't pull out. Like, I don't know if you can see that. So that was why I went with this color, because this was the only floral fabric without loose end that I was able to get. And there are other type of fabrics that the ends do not pull out, like poly. You can pick that as well. So I'm also going to make another video on how to make dresses with fabrics that free. But for today, let's go easy. I'm just going to show you all everything else. And yeah, so if you like the dress that my mannequin has on, please do want to check the description on how to make this beautiful cartoon dress. It's there in the description box. I did a tutorial on it, so just go check it out.